I'm going to show you how to make mutton chole in a simple way, and we're starting right now. Hi, my name is Nancy Morgan from Flavorsome Feast. Welcome to another video, and if it's your first time here and you want to learn simple recipes and all cooking related stuffs, start now by subscribing and clicking on the bell so that you don't miss anything.
You should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit.
Start by soaking 500 grams of chole matar overnight. Soaking is important because it helps to save time and you get soft, perfectly cooked chole at the end. Chole needs to be cooked in the pressure cooker. So add water, some salt, 1/4 teaspoon of cooking soda, and allow it to cook over low flame for 3 whistles. While we let the pressure to release on its own, we'll prepare the masala in the meantime. 2 tomatoes, 2 green chilies and an inch of ginger. Make a paste and keep it aside.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah.
You will also need 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, red chili powder and salt as per your preference, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of cumin, a pinch of asafoetida and a bunch of coriander leaves. Heat some oil in a pan. And temper the cumin seeds and asafoetida together. Then add the tomato puree and cook it for 5 minutes over medium flame.
Find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the
Now add in the powder spices and the salt and cook it over medium flame until you get the consistency as shown in the video.
have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young.
This is the consistency that we're looking at. Add the chole matar along with the water.
Once we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby. We should breathe slow. We should breathe slow. We should breathe slow.
Let it come to a boil and you can cover and cook it for 5 minutes over high flame. You can either cook it for 5 minutes or until you get the desired consistency that you would like to have. Now add half a teaspoon of garam masala powder and give it a good mix.
You should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah.
Finally, garnish it with chopped coriander leaves, and you can cover and leave it for 5 minutes before serving or serve right after garnishing it.
So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby.
The Matar Chole is now ready, and this is absolutely yum. Do try it, and I am sure you're going to love this. That was yum, and if you don't want to miss anything related to simple recipes and cooking stuffs, start now by subscribing and clicking on the bell so that you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching. Bye.